Today's expression is, get the bug. First, let's listen to a short story and see how this expression is used in context. Then, we'll explain what get the bug means and look at some other situations where we can use it.
I got the drawing bug at school. I loved spending hours drawing, and that passion eventually led me to art school, where I spent countless hours practicing and working hard to improve my skills. Years later, I became a teacher, and I was lucky enough to be loved and respected by my students. I enjoyed every moment of teaching young people and sharing my passion for art with them.
When you hear the word bug, you probably think of a small insect. But in this expression, bug has nothing to do with insects. To get the bug for something means to suddenly become very interested in an activity and develop a strong desire to keep doing it. In Spanish, we have a very similar expression, que te entre el gusanillo. Situations where we can use it. I got the bug for cooking at a young age. I started to become very interested in cooking when I was young. I got the photography bug when I got my first camera as a gift. From that moment on, I became really interested in photography. My grandmother got me into gardening, and that's when I got the gardening bug. I started drawing when I was young and eventually became an art teacher. Eventually means in the end, or after some time. We use it when something happens, after a period of time, or after a series of events. So, if you get the bug for something, it means you become really interested in it and want to do more of it. And remember, this time, bug doesn't mean bicho, it means gusanillo. Maybe this video has given you the language learning bug. Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.